ladies and gentlemen, here is my Diamondback bike, and this will be bike check part 3. So we have a purple and gold rims right here, and then my chain is like a rainbow color, and I gotta say go for it for that. It's because they did that for me, and they were really generous about that, so thanks to them, I got that. And then I got some red line pedals. I got a purple stem, new one. I got ODI grips. I already had those, but you know, just point them out. Then we have these handlebars, the keyboard handlebars, green. And yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, and my brake and my white brake line. And yeah, that's all. And my Diamondback frame, my seat, and that's it. So thanks for watching Bike Check Part 3. I hope you enjoyed. Later.